Morning, Nate Mullen, aka the Illuminator here. All right, listen, I'm here to show you some benefits of my new transformer, my new Intelligent Plus high efficiency, low voltage, high output transformer. So what I want to do is I want to start with existing transformers that are on the marketplace today. So what I wanted to make sure in my new lighting company, my new lighting line, including transformers, is I have a saying called born on the battlefield. So when you look at a normal transformer, and this is very indicative of every transformer out there, all right? So they're typically about 150 to 300 watts, and I think 300 watts is the commonplace now. But we can count them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's a minimum of 7 points of failure in every one of the types of these transformers. And I can't tell you how many transformers I used to get back in my previous companies. And I wanted to make sure that I really don't get transformers back unless the transformer inherently just fails. I wanted to take away the nuisance failures, the nuisance problems that requires you to go out to a job site, the homeowner's unhappy, somebody has to replace transformers. So I'm going to show you my transformers are extremely simple. There are no connections required. Everything's done from the factory. You're literally going to put it up on the wall. And I've got 3 in-depth little 1-minute videos coming showing you those differences on my 3 transformers. But what I want to show you right now is why I call it the Intelligent Plus high efficiency transformer. So I'm going to hook up transformer number 1 here. And I'm going to call this a dumb transformer. All it does is it takes 120 in and brings 12 volts out. It's on a 10-to-1 ratio, and that's all they do. All they do is transform whatever the incoming voltage is to the outgoing voltage. And if you were to take a watt meter or voltage meter on your home wiring, you're going to notice that it fluctuates hundreds, thousands of times a day. 120 in, 12 out. 119 in, 11.9 out. 118, 11.8 out. That's detrimental on an LED. Now, I'm going to take an amp probe and I'm going to take a reading of the primary amps. And you're going to see that the primary amp reading is 0.5, okay? I'm going to come over here to the secondary and I'm going to take an amp probe reading on the secondary. And you're going to see that it says 4.2. I'm now going to compare that with my high efficiency transformer. I'm disconnecting and connecting. And I'm coming over to my primary. And you know that it was 0.5 and now it's 0.3. All right? It's 80% more efficient, 75, 80% depending how you calculate it. And then I'm going to come over here to my secondary. And it was 4.2. And now it is 2.2. All right? It's right at 100% more efficient. So when the LED electronic light bulb gets clean power, stable power, conditioned power, which is what every single piece of electronic wants. They're happy. They pull half the current. Okay, they pull half the current. I can put more light bulbs on a wire run. I can sit there and I can use more light bulbs on a run. So my 150 watt is really compared to a 200 or 300 watt transformer. Better than all of that more efficiency is we now give the opportunity for a transformer to live because now they're healthy. They don't have bad cholesterol. They're not like having all these bad nutrients going into them, right? They're going to be able to have a chance to live their life. So hopefully we're going to get 15, 20 years out of them. Anyway, I'll see you in some upcoming videos. Remember, lifetimelightingsystems.com.